Say hi to the Breadies.
Hi, Breadies.
What's up, brothers? We got Weston.
Yummy.
And we're gonna draw a baby Stegosaurus. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. He's excited. All you need is something to draw with, a crayon, a pencil, a marker, and a piece of paper. So grab your paper and your marker and let's get started. You ready? Yeah, all right.
Okay.
All right, buddies. I literally started and didn't push play on the camera. So we were right there, but now you're just gonna follow along with me, buddies. Basically, we said first we're gonna do our baby face. So we're gonna do like a round circle, buddies.
I'm just finishing mine.
Yeah, he's already got to that step. All right, buddies, you got that step. If I'm going too fast, you can just rewind. Next, buddies.
What do you need to rewind me? I'm going fast.
Yeah, you're going fast. Now we're just gonna go up for the back, down to the tail, Brady. Super easy. Check that out. So you got your face to the back and then into the tail, Breadies. Can you do that?
I'm already almost done.
Yeah, you're doing good, Wes. Breadies, if we're going too fast, all you gotta do is rewind. All right, Breadies, so the next step is we're gonna take this neck down to the belly.
I'm already on the spikes.
Weston's moving on to the spikes. We're just gonna do our legs, Breadies. So you're just gonna go down and down for the front leg and connect it, Breadies. Really easy.
And now I'm starting on the eye.
Good job, dude. And then we gotta do their next leg. So right there. Boom.
I'm already on the legs. I'm on the eye.
It's looking so good, Wes. Good job. Breadies, if you're still with me. That looks really good, dude. Breadies, we're gonna now do our back leg exactly like the front leg. So we're just gonna go
Daddy,
out,
I thought it was going to be white.
over,
Dad, it's supposed to be white, not black.
and up.
It's supposed to be white, not black.
Just like that, Breadies. So now we got our 4 legs.
Daddy.
It's okay, it looks good, bud.
No, I don't.
I don't know what you want to do. You gotta, you want me to fix it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, Brady. So he did the wrong way. So the only way we can fix it, I think, is by just doing a new white circle here, and we'll just color in the rest. That looks good.
1 circle.
Yeah.
I want 2 circles.
We can get a white pencil and maybe fill it in later if you want. You want to do that?
Right now.
All right, Breadies. So if you're here, now let's connect the belly, Breadies, all the way to the other leg.
I just did a line.
Yeah, that's good. All right, Breadies, we need our 4th leg, so we're just gonna go over and up.
I'm gonna do triangles.
He's gonna do...
It's not really bumps on right here. It's
Yeah,
kind
you're
of
right.
like pointy spikes.
That's right. He knows all about Stegos. All right, Breadies at home, let's add little, I don't know, toes nails? I don't know what they'd be, but I like mine round, so we're gonna do 1 bump
I'm starting on the spots.
and 2 bump, Breadies. And then we're gonna just do that same thing, Breadies, over here. You ready, Breadies? Up and up and down. That's looking so good. All right, Breadies. Now we're gonna do our eye. Let's do a big, cute eyeball, Breadies.
I think I'm already done. I'm ready to color.
Oh, he's ready to color. Good job, Wes. That looks so good. Weston's crushing it. He's 4. He loves Stegos and he loves yellow Stegos. So I bet he's gonna color his yellow. All right, Weston, hold on. Let us get caught up to you, okay, bud?
Okay.
We're gonna do a smile right here, dude. And we're gonna do a
I
little...
didn't even the style.
We're gonna do 1 tooth, cause he's a baby. Should we do, yeah, let's just do 1 tooth. Oh, I almost forgot to do my eyes the way I like doing them.
I'm doing just 2.
Looks so good, Breadies. All right, what do we need? We need to catch up to Weston. Weston already did, ooh, nice dino spots. Let's do some dino spots. 1, 2. Let's maybe do a small one.
I'm already done.
Small one there, Breddies. It's looking so good. We're gonna look like Weston soon. All right, Breddies, we're almost there. You got your feet, your tail, your face. What's left? We need these things. What are these even called, Wes? Scales? I don't know.
Spikes.
Spikes. Let's do round ones since he's a baby and he's not really scary or pointy yet. So let's just we'll do basically just a round shape. All the way, even. Let's get bigger as we go to the top. Biggest on the top. And then when we go down, Breddies, let's kind of make it smaller as we go down, okay? Whee! Whee! See how I'm getting smaller to big and then small again? It's looking good. And then on the last one, we'll do a tiny little one. Boop!
I thought that was spikes.
Yeah, you did yours your style with spikes. I did mine my style, nice and round all the way around. And that's it, Breddies. Let's fast forward this part. We're gonna color. Stay tuned till the end and we'll show you our finished, cute Stegosaurus baby. See you at the end, Breddies.
But why don't we...
Say hi again, Breddies.
Hi.
Breddies, we're back. We hope you had so much fun with Weston and I drawing a baby Stegosaurus. Did you have fun, Wes?
Yeah.
Yeah. You ready to show them our picture?
Yeah.
All right, let's do the countdown. Ready? 3,
3,
2, 1. Woo-hoo. Did you have so much fun, dude?
Yes.
We did too, Breddies. We hope you had so much fun. Check it out. I did blue with some pink and some like light brown. Wes, of course, did his favorite color, yellow and blue and orange. I want to see your drawings. Email them to us so we can see them, Breddies. Again, thanks for watching. Tell your friends about us. If they like drawing, send them our YouTube channel so we can draw with them. And that's it for today. We hope you had so much fun. Don't forget what?
And don't subscribe.
That's right. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, Breddies. We love you. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
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 Good job, dude. Ready for bed?
No, first can I show this? Is Grandma Susan or sleeping?
You want to show Grandma?
Yeah.
All right, let's go show Grandma.